Hey YouTubers, for today's fun little video, I'm going to be unboxing and putting this new stainless steel watch band on my Apple Watch. There are no videos for this particular band on the Apple Watch, so I thought I would do one. We'll start by unboxing it to see what's in here. Maybe. According to the reviews and descriptions, this is supposed to have all the tools that you need to make the watch band fit. Let's see what we have. This looks like a tool for taking the links out. We have some extra pins. Another tool, instructions, and the watch band itself. They cover that and fill it with foam. It's not light. It's a very rugged feeling watch band. Has a lock. So the next thing we'll do is put my watch inside and then see what I have to do to make it fit. All right, so there was this plastic shrink wrap protecting both sides of the watch band. That's part of the unboxing. Now, we'll see what it takes to actually put the watch in. Okay, it just snaps in. There's a plastic border, and the watch just snaps into place. This is what it looks like actually inside the case. It is quite a bit too big, so I'm going to have to remove, I don't know, maybe we'll start with 4, see how that works, and go from there. So this little tool, if you'll notice, I'm not sure you can see in the video, but the links have an arrow on them to tell you which way to push the pin. I have it lined up on the pinhole, and I will screw in the little threaded piece and push the pin out the other side. All right, so I ended up taking out 3 links on each side. That's the maximum. So if you have little bitty tiny wrists, maybe think about a different watch band. It is going to take a little getting used to because of how it's made. It is a little bit bigger, but it's a really nice, really well-made band. That's really all there is to this. As usual, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.